Clint here with Family Handyman, and we all strive for a blissful, barefoot-worthy lawn, right? So, here are the things that you should never do to your lawn. First, do not save your grass clippings. They actually contribute to the overall health of your lawn, plus that's less work for you to do. Next, do not use a dull mower blade. This is gonna make your grass a lot more unhealthy. You can actually tell if you look down at your grass and the tips are brown, it's time to sharpen the lawnmower blade. Next, don't forget to aerate your lawn once a year. Pick up football games, backyard parties, these all compact your soil, making it harder for it to get oxygen. You can rent an aerator at any home center. Don't forget to water your lawn. And don't water it every day for 15 minutes like some people do. What you want to do is water it once a week for about an hour. That's going to lead to a much stronger root system. It's going to make it a lot more drought tolerant. Don't cut your grass too short. You're going to want to be about 2 or 3 inches. There are a couple reasons for this. You want a longer blade of grass because the blade of grass is what produces the food for the roots. If it's shorter, it has a hard time doing this. Also, longer grass creates a little bit more shade, which makes it difficult for weeds to take root underneath. Don't forget to de-thatch. Over time, your lawn clippings can build up and it's gonna choke out your lawn. You can check to see where you're at by cutting the slice in your lawn and seeing how thick it is. If it's over 3/4 of an inch, you're gonna wanna deal with it. Don't wait too long between mowings. If you were on vacation and the neighbor kid was slacking, don't try to mow the whole thing in one shot or you're gonna end up with a thatch problem. Cut a little bit off the top, wait a couple days, and then cut a little bit more off. And there you have it. Hopefully all of these don'ts give you a healthier lawn so you do enjoy your time out there this summer. For more lawn care tips, check out familyhandyman.com.